Have you ever wondered about what would be a neat way to start a garden? A way that would be easy to take care of and not what others would expect? How about a straw bale?
A straw bale?
Yes, a straw bale. Straw isn't only bedding for cows, horses, and farm animals alike, but an interesting way to start a creative garden. To start a straw bale, begin by purchasing bales and straw and not hay from your local feed store or a farm. Why straw and not hay? Straw bales are better for this project because hay bales have seeds in the hay which sprout when exposed to water. Straw doesn't have seeds in it and will not sprout, but will keep a nice low-maintenance garden.
But, out of all things, why plant in a straw bale garden? Well, straw bales absorb water better than regular soil, so it stays hydrated longer than a regular garden, and means plants get water when they need it and are not as much at risk to become overwatered and experience root rot. And because straw bales have excellent composting qualities, they absorb heat and, when mixed with water, release carbon dioxide, which helps the plants grow. To make a straw bale garden, begin by using a backhoe to dig a rectangular hole that is about 1 foot deep. Remove any loose soil with the shovel, rake, or pick, and unload enough bales of straw to fill the rectangular hole. It works best to keep the strings of the bales intact. Wet the bales and apply a 30-3-3 fertilizer for 3 days, watering liberally. A 30-3-3 fertilizer means the fertilizer contains 30% nitrogen, 3% phosphorus, and 3% potash. For the next 3 days, apply a 10-10-10 fertilizer. A 10-10-10 fertilizer contains 10% nitrogen, 10% phosphorus, and 10% potash, and water liberally. For the next 4 days, only water the straw bale.
Now your straw bales are ready for plants. To plant in the straw bales, you can either place seeds along the top of the straw bale, or you can dig a hole to fit a plant and cover with compost to help the plant retain moisture.